Happy morning, children. Now we will solve this activity. Now, what is this activity here? Mr. Pandit is 75 years old. Now, if he is 75 years old, then what table we will consider? The first table, do you remember? For the first table, tax rates according to the age of the taxpayer, what it was? Between the age group, it was up to 60 years for the first table. Second table, this 60 to 80 years. So Mr. Pandit is 75 years of age. And last year his annual income was rupees 13 lakh 25,000. So here they have already said activity use table second because the age is 75 according to the age to carry out the following activity. Now here what is happening? How much is his taxable income? Now to find the taxable income, what are we going to do? See, first we will see to what slab it belongs, right? And then we are going to do the deductions also. But here there is no deductions. There is no public provident fund. There is no health insurance, and there is no prime minister relief fund or chief minister relief fund. He is not investing anywhere. That is being seen. So Mr. Pandit, how much is his taxable income? So that only you will have to subtract. Now it is, see here, the annual income is 13 lakh 25,000. So 13 lakh 25,000, in which slab it will come, that you have to see. See here, it is here more than 10 lakh, right? So he has to pay 1,10,000 and 30% on taxable income minus 10 lakh he has to do. Okay, whatever his gross income minus 10 lakh. Okay, now because taxable income, that deduction and all, we are not doing it here because deduction is not there. So minus 10 lakh. So from the annual income, subtract 10 lakh. So on this amount, now this will be the taxable income. Okay, 3 lakh 25,000 will be the taxable income. So the difference should be understood by you all, that in other examples, public provident fund and insurance, see here it was. So what did we do? We subtracted that amount. Here you can see we subtracted 1,80,000 was there. We took only 1,50,000, and then we also subtracted chief minister relief fund later on, that we had discussed. Then here also the deduction was there, and so taxable income, it took time to calculate. Okay, so this concept has to be understood by you very clearly, what has to be done. Okay, so now, so the first point you have understood, why minus 10 lakh we did. So this is actually your taxable income. So according to the table, he must first pay rupees 1,10,000 as income tax. In addition to that, I already discussed with you, in addition on 3,25,000 rupees, he has to pay 30% income tax. So this is the taxable income. So I told you he has to pay, and that 1,10,000 he has to pay because his gross annual income is more than 10 lakhs. So this is what we are following here. 30% on taxable income minus 10 lakh and 1,10,000. Table second, age 60 to 80 years. So now here, now remaining part is easy. So this is the taxable income. So 30% you have to pay the tax, income tax. So 30 upon 100, 30% means. And if you calculate, you will get the answer 97,500. Okay, you calculate and check. Then his total income tax amounts to. Now total income tax we need not have to tell. Finally, after calculating education cess and secondary and higher secondary, it will be total. So here you just cut this and write income tax amounts to. Now concept has to be understood. Income tax amount to what? This 97,500. That is 30% of taxable income. That comes to 97,500. Plus, he has to pay this particular amount has to be given. 1,10,000. Because his yearly income is too much, more than 10 lakhs. So 1,10,000 he has to pay. So 1,10,000 has been added. So this 2 has been added and you have got the answer 2,07,500. After this, on this amount, you have to pay education cess 2% and this is the income tax 2,07,500, but it is not total income tax. Again, tax on tax I told you. So here you will have 2,07,500. 2,07,500 into, you calculate, you will get the answer 4,150. And second is 1%. 1 upon 100 for secondary is same. 2,07,500. So what answer you will get? 2,075. And now see here, again they have given the word total income tax. Now they have written here only income tax is okay, is equal to income tax. What is the income tax? 2,07,500 plus education cess 4,150. Secondary and higher secondary 2,075. You add this, see here only 5, here 0, here 0. So this is 5. Then 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 0, 12 only. So here 2, 1 carry. So add this and you will get the answer. Just I showed you that how we are getting the last 2 digits. So like this you have to understand the concepts, then you can solve any example.